Hello, this video is designed to help you use Microsoft Teams. And now that we have no classes in a classroom, we have to have classes on the internet. And we do this through Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams is an app. It's an app like Facebook, like YouTube, like WhatsApp. And it's an app that you can download. So we can also have video classes on Microsoft Teams. And the way to do this is it's good if you can download Teams. So what you do is you go to Google and you can see we have download Microsoft Teams already here. So download means you take it from the internet and put it on your computer or on your phone to download. So we click on download Microsoft Teams here and we have this page. Now you can do this on your phone as well. You can also do it on the Play Store or on the Apple Store. You just go to the Play Store or the Apple Store and you put in Microsoft Teams, this word here, Microsoft Teams, and you download the app. So you can download for desktop. Desktop means your computer. Or you can download for mobile, so your phone. So if you download for desktop, click on that, click on this. Now I can't download Teams because I already have it. I have it on my computer. So this is what you will get when you look at Teams. But we look at this in 1 second. So when you download Teams, you have to put in your email address and a password. Now you have to think of the password. They don't give you the password, you have to think of it. So you need two things, your email address and your password. So when you have downloaded Teams, you will be invited to a team. So your teacher will send you an email. And the email will look something like this. So imagine this is your email, this is Gmail. And you have an email like this, Microsoft Teams. That says you have been added as a guest to MSLETB in Microsoft Teams. So MSLETB is just Sligo ETB. You open the email and you can see here English class. Open Microsoft Teams. So you just click. So this is something that often happens the first time you go into Teams. This is the email address I used. So they say they're going to send a code. So a code means a number. They're going to send you a number so that you can get into the team. So you click on send code. Now we go back to our email and there's the code. So we open the email and that's the code here. So we can copy that and we have to put that in here and sign in. So you will usually get a message like this after you put in the code. Remember, the code is just a number. The number is like your password to get into the team. And you have a message like this. Open Microsoft Teams, it says. And it says cancel or open Microsoft Teams. The Teams is the app. So you already have the app. You just click on open Microsoft Teams. And Teams opens up. And now you're into Teams. So this is what Teams looks like, and you can see little activities, you can see videos, and you can have classes here as well. So you can also have a class, a video class on Teams. So let's look at this. Your teacher will, again, you have to go back to your email. So everything is through your email. So very important that you use your email a lot. So your teacher will send you an email with an invitation to an English class. So you see here, join Microsoft Teams meeting. So to get into the class, you click join. And again, maybe it will ask you to open Microsoft Teams. So you open Microsoft Teams. And Teams opens up. This is Teams, and this is your English class. You have a little screen here, and you just click Join Now. So if you want to get into the class, you just click Join. And it connects. So that's it. That's your... we just close this here. So the important thing again is your email. Everything is through your email. First thing to do, don't forget, is go to get Teams, Microsoft Teams. You can get it on the Play Store or on the Apple Store, or you can go to Google. And the important thing is download Teams, download Microsoft Teams. Put in your email and your password. And then everything is through your email. So whatever email address you use with Teams, you will be given an invitation with your email. So you have to go into Teams first. They often will send you a code. So remember the code. Let's look at the code again. Account verification code. That's this here. So code is just a number. They give you a number. And then they will ask you for the number. You can put in the number and then you can get into Teams. And then remember, to get into the class, you just go to the email again and click Join Microsoft Teams meeting. Join is the important thing. So I hope that helps. Maybe see you in a class sometime. Thanks for watching.